So hello guys, in this video I will show you how to install the expansion Get Together The Sims 4. You can get the expansion at Games for the World website. It's free without any survey. So now let's start. I will guide you step by step. The first thing you have to do after finish download is open the containing folder. After that, extract the file. After done, open the folder and then copy this folder, all of this, and go to the local disk C, go to program files and go to electronic arts, go to the Sims 4 and paste here. Copy and replace all the folder. After you done copy all the folder, now you can start to play the game. Run as usually and have fun.